1,100 meters. Oh, way they go. Run like the wind fast to begin smashing success. Run game, racing in third by a length and a half, running in fourth by Sound to length, Terry Tune and Careless Whisper. Passing the half-mile post, run like the wind, smashing success. Run gain is racing from the outside. During the last 700, run like the wind. Run gain, racing from the outside this time, catching the lead. Run gain, the favorites, now the leader. Run like the wind is running in second. Smashing success is racing in third, running in fourth by some 5 lengths, Terry Tune. And a long way back to Careless Whisper. Run game this time by some 2 lengths, run like the wind is smashing success from the outside. And during the last 200 meters more to run, Run game, still the leader by some 3 lengths, is smashing success in second. And nearing the finish line, Run game, finish the game. Second, smashing success, Run like the wind, Terry Tune, and Careless Whisper comes last through all the way.
Okay, crossing the wire first, top choice, entry.